Asaram's desperate measures, where now sources are saying that he has also written a letter to the Jodhpur police, and in this letter he says that he can't appear as a very close relative has died. Sources have also said that in his letter Asaram says that one of his close disciple is also very unwell. Aditya is reporting on the story. Aditya, tell us a little bit about what Asaram has written exactly, and are these really admissible excuses will they be really accepted?
It is the deadline today. We have seen how Asaram has been escaping the police net. The news only tightens around the neck of Asaram. He has been blamed, and there are strong allegations of sexual assault against this self-godman. We are standing in Bhopal's Gandhinagar area, which is a prime Asaram's ashram here. He claims that there are millions of supporters and followers of his who come here daily, but here it is almost a silent sign that there are no supporters at this crucial time of his when police is searching for him, and today the deadline actually ends. At the same time, as you rightly mentioned, that there has been a letter written by Asaram to the Jodhpur police which actually mentions all kinds of excuses, so as to say, which also narrates that how a close relative of his has passed away and he needs time till at least September 20th to appear before the Jodhpur police. But sources also telling Times Now that Asaram might not get any more time because Jodhpur police has made its mind. The Jodhpur police would be any time today reaching out to the local magistrate in the area to issue a non-bailable warrant against this self-styled godman, and probably a few members of the Jodhpur police might reach Bhopal if he does not leave this area and come here to arrest him. But sources from the ashram are also telling us that Asaram might be moving to Delhi or Ahmedabad. He is also looking at maximum mileage of this particular opportunity. Let's remember, yesterday he had actually blamed UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi as well as Rahul Gandhi, saying that he alleged that there was some kind of a conspiracy hatched against him by certain political leaders, which came under strong attack by the entire leadership of the Congress. But at this moment, we can certainly say that the news tightens against the self-styled godman Asaram.
And the Jodhpur police in the meantime is denying having received any letter from Asaram, and sources are also saying that the Jodhpur police has said that they have not received any formal communication. So Aditya, it seems like the Jodhpur police is in no mood to pay any heed to any further excuses being given by Asaram.
That's right. The Jodhpur police seems that it has made its mind that it will certainly arrest Asaram. Jodhpur police has in fact told Times Now that no such formal communication has been received in their end. Let's remember, on Tuesday, the Jodhpur police had issued a lookout notice against Asaram. This is serious because Asaram won't be allowed to leave the country in any manner after this lookout notice. At the same time, we are seeing that today, 30th of August, the deadline really ends, and any time now the Jodhpur police might reach out to the local magistrate to seek a non-bailable warrant against Asaram, and if Asaram does not escape from Bhopal, a team of the Jodhpur police is likely to come here to arrest him.